Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tunsong, who heads the PWD Roads Department, announced after a review meeting on the 9th of December 2025 that Package 1 of the Shillong Tamabil Road project is on track for completion by the 31st of December 2025. Briefing reporters, Prestun Tunsong said the project was progressing as planned and expressed confidence that Package 1 would be finished within the stipulated timeline. He added that Packages 2, 4 and 5 were expected to be completed by December 2026. On the status of Package 3 covering the Penursla bypass, Prestun Tunsong said the NHDCL had already allocated funds for land compensation. The remaining work, he noted, involved completing necessary procedures by the Penursla Civil Subdivision. In a separate update, the Deputy Chief Minister informed that a joint inspection involving officials of the PWD, the MEECL and the DC Revenue would soon be conducted to examine the alignment of the Umiam-Shillong Road. The state government has set March 2026 as the deadline for completing the project.
Just tell you one thing, I think by the end of March, we'll be able to make it operationalized. The road is almost complete, the bridge is almost completed, and now the approach road is also on. And by end of March, whatever you say, we will be able to make it operationalized. And once that is done, then all those night supers and then the loaded trucks can fly again from there. Fly the leaky package, kadang kam kaya state kaya bekerti, ban ngakermen scam kumbala kumangila botaket bahwa ajar aku real, kadang kau Shillong Western bypass ngin la bat pendep. Again, for recarpeting of the road here in Shillong, and this cost about 45 crores. Okay, so the work will start soon for recarpeting, and I'm very sure once that is completed, we will see that Shillong city is again more brighter